My bedroom has been in a state of definitely not a real adult lives here and occasionally buys a piece from Urban Outfitters, hoping that one day it'll all come together and look decent, so I'm giving it a much-deserved makeover. This is the before version of my room. Plenty of ugly things scattered about, and just too many things overall for the size of my room, a lot of which I can get rid of. First up was this tall dresser that was housing almost nothing, so I sold it on Facebook Marketplace. Next up is this really large fan, and while I do want a fan in my room because I don't have central AC, it just takes up a lot of space, it's very eye-catching, and nobody really wants a fan to be eye-catching. One of the first things I did was take down the tapestry I had on the wall, because despite what I thought when I bought it at Urban Outfitters 6 years ago, it did not turn me into a super cool hipster, and still hasn't, so instead I replaced it with this set of mirrors from IKEA for a more simple and clean look. I did still want a little bit of color in the room, but because I took down the colorful tapestry and switched out my blue duvet for a white one, I added a couple of plants to add in some green. This is a pretty small change, but I had all of my necklaces hanging on this weird chain thing. I switched it out for these white tree branch looking hooks, again for a more simple, bright, clean look. I had this full-length mirror that was not truly a full-length mirror because I couldn't even see my full body in it, so I finally purchased a very large, true full-length mirror. I also think that adding in the big mirror helps give the illusion that the room is bigger than it actually is. I didn't have much going on in the desk area, so I put up these two shelves above the computer and added on a couple small plants and other little decorations. One of the reasons I always thought my bedroom looked like the same bedroom that I had when I was 8 is because it still had the main furniture pieces that I had when I was 8, so I splashed out and proved that I was an adult now by buying my first furniture pieces, which was this nightstand and a matching large dresser. I also bought a white, smaller, and more discreet looking fan, and also a fake floor plant from Urban Outfitters. I added one more plant to meet the required quota, this vine set that I got from Amazon, and that finishes off everything I did to make over my bedroom. %of the time, I forget to turn on string lights, and all of the plants are fake, and I'm definitely not sitting on the bed drinking tea and making a bullet journal plan for my Instagram feed, but when I look around my bedroom, I do feel a lot happier with it than I did before, and that's what I was going for. Thanks for watching.